Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a table which is showing the kinds of foods that are fed to cats and dogs currently boarded at a pet care facility. We're asked, what fraction of the dogs are fed only dry food? So the fraction we're going to form here is dogs that are fed dry food over all dogs. So this is saying out of all of the dogs that are at this facility, how many of those dogs are taking dry food? So first, all dogs. We have dogs listed here in this row right here. And if we go across, we have 2 dogs are fed dry food, 23 are fed wet and dry food, and 25 are in total. So if we just look at this row right here, dogs that are fed dry food, how did we find that? We come here for dogs and dry food only down here. We find where they meet. We find where the column and the row meet for the 2 qualities that we're finding. The column of only dry food goes down to here, and the dog row comes out to here, and you get 2. That's how you read one of these tables. Now we're looking for the total dogs. So the total column here for the animals is here, and that lines up with the dogs right here, so you get 25. So what fraction of the dogs are fed only dry food? Well, it's 2 dogs out of the 25, so your fraction is 2 over 25, which means B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.